In our changing world, we need energy-efficient solutions to everyday life. Whether for my students or as a working professional, the ways I travel to work have changed. Today, the goal is to be able to go somewhere, film, do an interview, have all your lighting equipment and even a camera in one bag, and be able to go by bicycle or subway or train. The D-LED 3 daylight is a key element. Combined with the 610 parallel beam lens, it outputs a huge amount of light, producing 32,000 lux at 2 meters, almost as much as the D-LED 7D. The bag has a D-LED 3 daylight, a D-LED 7 power supplies, mounting hardware, cables, an optional D-LED 7 parallel beam lens, and clothespins to hold some diffusion. And of course, the light stream reflectors. There's a space for the diffusion, the clothespins, the flexible arms. The reflectors fit facing up, with a slot for the Neo power supply, the D-LED 7 bicolored light for color temperature flexibility, the D-LED 3 daylight with the parallel beam intensifier, its power supply, the D-LED 7 cables, a little bag for the reflector sliding lock mounts. But we can also add a DSLR-sized camera and optionally a parallel beam intensifier for the D-LED 7, and perhaps a monitor as well. The great thing about a case like this is that you can take the reflectors in and out very easily. I added a small gold E-flect, a mini clamp, and a flexible arm, just in case, and a couple of super clamps. To go to my shoot, I attached the bag to the back of an e-bike. In this setup, I have the D-LED 3 in the back to send a stream of light to a number 5 reflector to illuminate the back wall and the plants. I add a little bit more from the E-flect to the decor. The lower left wall is brightened to motivate the backlight, and I adjust the number 3 to be that backlight for the hair. You can see the line effect that the number 5 makes on the wall. Here is a number 2 with diffusion hanging on it. Soft front light, hard back. But it's more important to see what the camera sees. I like it, and it's all from 2 small dado lights and Lightstream all in one bag. I love the efficiency and flexibility of this system. Next, I hope to make a bag that fits on the front of a folding bike to be able to just clip that on the front so I can ride to a job after a train or a metro, having the bike in one hand and the bag in the other.